Hi everyone. Before I start the new lesson, I want to give the answer for the lesson 9 exercise. Answer to lesson 9E exercise. Number 1, 90.33. Number 2, 118.14. Number 3, 3.89. Now you can compare your answers with this your question is these answers. If there's the same thing, they are correct. Otherwise, you can review your questions. Now our title is accuracy. Accuracy. What is meant by accuracy? For example, if you have a number 2 2.460. The accuracy means if there is a first 10 digit, 100 digit, and 1000 digit. If you have one decimal place, like one, the accuracy of this is like 10th. What is 10th? Or 1/10, or the 1 digit. Someone say 1 digit accuracy, or 10th digit accuracy, or 1/10 accuracy. All the first. If you want to the accuracy of, like someone asks you the write with the accuracy of 1 digit, or write with the accuracy of tenths, or write with the accuracy of 1/10, we'll write 2.4. Just this is one. If there is the accuracy of 100, we write 2.46. If the accuracy is 1000, 3 digits. 1 digit accuracy, 2 digit accuracy, 2 decimal point accuracy, 3 decimal point accuracy, or 1/10, 100, 1000. This is the accuracy. And the regular daily affairs, we use just 1 or 2 decimal places. That's enough. But for some precise things, like in some engineering or science problems, we have 3, 4, 5 the digits of accuracy. Now we use this kind of things, accuracy for division, like we have 4.2288 divided by 1.2. Before in division of decimal, we say that we make the number of decimal places equal. There is 4 decimal, there is 3 decimal. We point 3 0 0 0 0. Now there is 4 decimal, there is 4 decimal. If you want to multiply by 10, we bring 1 1 1 this side. By 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, this one 10. Now we make it. We multiply this by 10,000, this by 10,000. Then the decimal point remove from both sides. Now this is a regular multiplication, 42,288 divided by 12,000. Now 3. 300, 300, 300, 326, 313. We subtract this one. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 0, 2. 12. Because there is 2, we can borrow from here 1, 2. We become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now, what we do? We put the decimal here and put the 0 here. This is 60,000, 12,000, 5 times. 500, 500, 500, 5 to 10, remaining 1, 5, 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. Zero, 8, 8, 2. Because we have decimal point, now we can put 1 0 here. It becomes, this is 12, it's 28, it's 2 times 2 times 200, 200, 200, 224, 212. Zero, 0, 8, 4. You put another, then 4. 400, 400, 400, 428, 414. 48,000 minus 48,000 is 0. Now the answer is 3.524. If we see the accuracy of 10. If you say the accuracy of 10, we write this one 3.55. If the accuracy be 100, then we write 3.52. If the accuracy is you want accuracy of 1000, should be 3.52. With no accuracy, just we write the real number, the whole number. Now, our another title is prime numbers. Prime Okay, prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that can be divisible by 1 or itself. For example, 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 is only divisible by 2 and by itself. It cannot be like divisible by 3 or anything. Now 3. 3 is also a prime number because 3 is divisible by 3 and itself and 1. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. But 4 is not a prime number because 4 can be divisible by 4, can be divisible by 2, can be divisible by 1. 6 is not a prime number. 6 is divisible by 3 and by 2. It's not a prime number. But what about 7? 7 is a prime number because 7 is only divisible by 7 and that's it. 8 is not a prime number. It's divisible by 2, by 4, by... This is not, this is not, this is not. Then 10 is not a prime number. And 11 is a prime number. So those numbers like 10, 8, 6, and 4. They are not prime numbers, so what are they? They are composite numbers. Composite numbers. What are they? They are the product of multiplying prime numbers. If you multiply 2, 3 prime numbers, we receive a composite number. For example, 4. 4 is a composite number. It is coming from 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 2 is prime number, 2 is prime number, but 4 is a composite number. Another example, 6. 6 is equal to 2.2 times 3. 2 is prime number, 3 is a prime number. We multiply 2 by 3, the product is 6. That is a composite number. Like another, like 20. 20 is 2 times 4. 2 prime, 2 prime, 5 is prime, and 20 is composite. How can we find how can we find that which prime numbers contains these numbers? For the simple one like 6 and 20 and 4 is easy, but for the bigger number we should know the procedure of factoring. But before we discuss about the factoring, we should know about something about the divisibility. What is the divisibility? Divisibility. What is the meaning of this divisibility? The meaning of divisibility is that we should find those numbers, we should find the numbers that have divisibility to prime numbers. Two prime numbers. Which number we divide that give us the prime numbers. So we start from 2. First prime number is 2. Divisibility by 2. Which numbers are divisible by 2? It means that the numbers that its first right digit be 0, or even is divisible by 2. What's mean? For example, 30. The first right digit is 0. So, because the first right digit is 0, this is divisible by 2. We test that this one that it is correct or not. We divide this by 2. 1 times 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 0. 5 times 2, 10. See, it's correct. Or we do another example, 54. The first digit is 4, 4 is even, so this is divisible by 2. Now we do, is this correct or not? Yes. 2 times 2, 4, 5 minus 4, 1. We bring down 4 or carry down 4. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So this is correct, this is correct. This was divisibility by 2. If we see another number like 37, is not divisible by 2 because the first right digit is 7 and 7 is odd, not even, and not 0. So 1 times 2 is remaining 1, 7, 6, 8 times 2, 16, remaining 1. It is not completely dividing, so this is not divisible by 2. Now see divisibility by 3. Divisibility to 3. Then what we say that the summation of its digits be divisible by 3. What is the meaning of that? Like 1617, we had all of these digits. 1 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 1 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. Because the summation of all of this is 15, so we know that 15 is divisible by 3. If we don't know that this is 15 divisible by 3, we have this one. 1 plus 5 is 6. Because 6 is divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So from that 6 is divisible by 3, so from there 15 is divisible by 3, and then 1617 is also divisible by 3. And we test this one, that is this divisible by 3 or not. Then we divide 1617 by 3. 5 3 15, remaining 1, we carry down 1, 3, 3, 9, remaining 2, then we carry down 7, 9 times 3 is 27. It is completely divided, and this is okay, that is divisible by 3. If you take another number, 3,215, the summation of the digits is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. And 11 is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is not divisible by 3, so 11 is not divisible by 3, then 3,215 is not divisible by 3. Then if you divide this one, really it's not divisible by 3. 3,215 divide by 3, 1 times 3, 3, 0, then we bring down 2. Because 2 is less than 3, we should bring down another number. But in division we can bring just one number, not two numbers. Because of that, we put here 0 and then we bring 1 down. 7, 3, 21, then 5, 1 times 3 is 3, remaining 2. Because we have a remainder of 2, so this is not completely divided. This is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5 to 5. First right digit, first right digit must be zero or 5. Like 250. The first right digit is 0. So this is divisible by 5. We tested. 5 times 5 is 25. 0, and we carry that up the 0 here. The other number is 35. Divide by 5. 7, 5, 35. So both of them are divisible by 5. The divisibility by 5 is easiest than all of them. Then divisibility to 7. what we do, it is a little process. Like what we do first, we omit the first right digit, then make it twice and subtract from remaining number. And continue by the time that remain zero or 7. Otherwise, that's not divisible by 7. Now, I shall use some examples like 3,801. We see that is this divisible by 7 or not. What we do, we omit this one. We omit the 1. Remaining 380. Then we make it twice. Twice means we do it times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we subtract this one from here. 10 minus 2 is 8. It is remaining 7, 3. Then what we do, we omit this one, the first right digit, the 8. Now our number is 37. What we do, we make this one twice or the double. 8 times 2 is 16. 17. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2, 21. We know that 21 is divisible by 7. But still, we can continue this one like this way. Then from this one, we omit the 1. We put here 2 when we make twice this one. 2 times 1 is 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. So because we say that if the last number is 0 or 7, this is divisible by 7. Otherwise, if this was not something 1, 2, 3 or some another number, this was not divisible by 3. Now we check this one. 3,801 divide by 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Remaining 3. We bring down 0. Then 4 times 7 is 28. Remaining 2, 1. 3 times 7 is 21. 0. So this is divisible by 7. We see another example like 415. 415. We omit this one 5, remaining 41. We make this double or times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 1, 3. Then what we do? We make this one is 3. We make this one times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Because this number remaining 1, not 0, not 7, so this is not divisible by 7. Now we tested 415 divided by 7, 5. 5 times 7, 35. 11 minus 5 is 6. We bring down 5. 9 times 5, 63. Remaining 2, because this is not divisible by 7 completely. Our last divisibility is divisibility to 11 or by 11. Okay, divisibility by 11. What we do? We add odd and even. We add odd and even numbers. Separately. Separately. Then we subtract them from each other. The difference must be 0 or 11. For example, 2695. Then first digit, the odd digit, not the first digit, odd number. This is odd digit, the third one is odd digit, this is even digit, this is even digit. 6, so 6 plus 5 is 11, 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. We say that this should be 11 or 0 because this is 0, so this is divisible by, this number is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Now we test is this correct or not. 2695 divided by 11. 2 times 11 is 22, remaining 4, 9, 4 times 11 is 44, remaining 5, we carry down 5, 5 times 11 is 55, remaining 0. So this is correct. Now we see another number like 731. The odd digits, first digit and third digit is 7 plus 1 is 8 and this one is 3. Now 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Because 5 is neither 0 nor 11, so 731 is not divisible by 11. We see that, is this correct or not? 731 divided by 11. 6 times 11 is 66. Now 13 minus 6 is 7, 1. Again 6 times 11 is 66. 11 minus 6 is 5. So it is not divisible by 11. I think there is more than enough for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos and press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.